After 2 weeks with the Samsung Galaxy A56 5G, it's evident that Samsung has made significant strides in the mid-range smartphone segment. This device offers a blend of premium features and affordability, aiming to cater to a broad audience. The Galaxy A56 5G showcases a sleek design with a 7.4mm thickness, making it comfortable to hold. The use of Gorilla Glass Victus Plus on both the front and back, coupled with an aluminum frame, imparts a premium feel. The camera module's flush integration enhances the device's aesthetics. Available in graphite gray, light gray, olive, and pink, there's a color for every preference. Featuring a 6.7-inch Super AMOLED display with a 1080x2340 resolution, the A56 delivers vibrant visuals. The 120Hz refresh rate ensures smooth scrolling and gaming experiences. With a peak brightness of 1900 nits, outdoor visibility is exceptional. Under the hood, the Exynos 1580 chipset powers the device, offering an 18% CPU boost and a 17% GPU enhancement over its predecessor. The device ships with Android 15 and One UI 7, introducing features like Circle to Search and enhanced artificial intelligence capabilities. Samsung's commitment to 6 OS upgrades ensures longevity. The rear camera setup includes 50-megapixel main sensor with OIS, delivers sharp and detailed images, 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens, captures expansive scenes with minimal distortion, 5-megapixel macro lens, suitable for close-up photography. The 12-megapixel front camera offers clear selfies and supports 4K video recording. Battery life is impressive thanks to the 5,000 mAh battery. The highlight here is the 45-watt wired charging, which can charge up to 65% in just 30 minutes, with a full charge taking about 68 minutes. We finally have real-life battery numbers for the Samsung Galaxy A56 5G, and the results are shocking. A fellow YouTuber, TechTag, conducted a battery test to determine which phone offers the best endurance. He tested the Galaxy A56, A36, A55, A35, A54, and A34 under the same conditions. No SIM cards were used, only Wi-Fi was enabled. All devices have the same Wi-Fi network, volume level, and brightness settings. The test followed a structured routine. 1 hour of YouTube playback at 1080p resolution. 1 hour of gameplay. 30 minutes of browsing on Samsung's website. 1 hour of video recording. Repeated the same YouTube and gaming sessions. Another 30 minutes of browsing. 1 hour of 4K video recording at 30 FPS. This cycle continued until the phone started dying. Final battery test results. Galaxy A34, first to die at 9 hours 21 minutes. Galaxy A54 lasted slightly longer at 9 hours 27 minutes. Galaxy A35 reached 10 hours 5 minutes. Galaxy A36 held on for 10 hours 20 minutes. Galaxy A55 managed 10 hours 32 minutes. Galaxy A56, a clear winner, lasting an impressive 11 hours 15 minutes. The Galaxy A56 5G officially outlasted all the other devices, proving its superior battery efficiency and real-world usage. All 6 phones in the test come with a 5,000 mAh battery, meaning the differences in endurance were due to software optimizations, chipset efficiency, and display power consumption rather than battery size itself. By the way, full video link is in description. Must check out. The Galaxy A56 5G is priced at $499 for the 128 gigs model and $529 for the 256 gigs variant, positioning it competitively in the mid-range market. After 14 days of usage, the Samsung Galaxy A56 5G stands out as a robust mid-range smartphone. Its combination of a high-quality display, solid performance, versatile camera system, and extended software support makes it a compelling choice for those seeking value without compromising on essential features. That's it for today. What's your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comments section. As always, see you in the next video. Peace out.